Hello everyone, this is Kate with Scholarly Marketing. Today I want to go over how to create a postcard using your KW Canva account and how to post that as a direct mailer in the command platform. So the first thing we want to do is of course be logged into both our command platform and our Canva platform. So to do that, you're going to go to canva.kw.com. That's how you will be able to sign in and utilize your KW provided Canva account. Now, once we are signed into our KW Canva account, you can navigate down to the templates or to brand. For today, I'm going to go to brand and we're going to look at the brand templates. Going to those brand templates is going to allow you to find the KW already, like the brand templates that are already KW specific. So they're going to have KW colors, they're going to be real estate. So you can kind of navigate through those various templates and find whatever template you are interested in. Okay. So for example, if we want to use this one at the top that we've kind of starred, I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And we're going to then go ahead and hit use this brand template. Okay. And that's going to bring us into where we can customize that template for the listing that we are looking to list or the listing that we are looking to advertise. Okay. That we're going to send these postcards out for. Now, once we do that, we can start updating the information on this postcard by using our menu on the left-hand side. Now, if you've already connected your Keller Williams app, you can access that by coming all the way down to the Keller Williams app. That's going to allow you to easily pull in your listings. It's also going to allow you to pull in your profiles from your command account. So you'll just search the listing that you're looking for. I just pulled up a random one here before we got started. So we'll just go ahead and plug that in. Now I want to change this from my listings to all listings since this is not my listing. And let's see, it is not finding that one. Let's see. Let me try using the MLS number. Oh, and actually, I think that it probably wasn't updating. Let's try this one more time. I think it wasn't updated to all listings. Still searching for mine. There we go. So now we're able to find that listing with either the MLS number or the address. So once I find my listing, I'm going to go ahead and select on that. And then I can start customizing the photos and things like that on this postcard. So to swap out this photo on the front, we're going to go ahead and drag this over and drop it. Now, once it's dragged and dropped, we can, of course, crop it if we want to kind of zoom in, maybe have that house slightly bigger, whatever you want to do. Once you're done, hit done. Now this does have kind of a fade here. Uh, you can delete that if you don't like it. That's certainly up to you. But then we can go ahead and go over to details and start swapping out the rest of our information here for the property. Then we can go to page 2 and do the same thing. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and come to uploads. Let's find our logo. Actually, let's go to brand. I think we have our Scott Leroy logo in here. So let me go ahead and delete this one. I'm going to add the SLM logo at the top. And we're going to make it a little bit smaller. And then we can start swapping out the rest of the stuff. So we'll go ahead and swap out the agent, put Scott's photo right here. Hit done. And then we can go ahead and start editing the rest of this. So let's go ahead and let's delete all that. Scott Leroy. Let's edit our number. And then let's come down to our email and edit that as well. All right. And once we have that all set, there is one little step we want to do for this postcard before we download it to our computer. But to make sure we get the correct sizing, we're going to first come over to Command, and we're going to go straight into Campaigns. And we're going to hit Create Campaign and Direct Mailer. Okay, and then I'm just going to do tip video example for this name. This is internal. Nobody sees this but us. And then I'm going to select Advertise a Listing. Okay, and we're going to hit create at the bottom. Now it will pull up a listing option for you to search for a listing. That's great if you want to pull in the listing from the KWLS. However, also if you want to use the default templates, however, we're going to use a custom template since we created it in Canva. So the next thing I want to do is determine what size postcard I want, and then we're going to go ahead and resize our postcard in Canva, okay? So I'm going to grab these dimensions here, and we're going to come over to our postcard, and we're going to go ahead and resize this, okay? Because we want to make sure it's the exact size that we need. We're going to change this to pixels, and then we're going to go ahead and type in our sizing here. Keeps wanting to put that in the wrong box. There we go. So we're going to make this in 1875 by 1275, and we can either create a copy of this or we can resize this specific design so we don't have to open a copy. So I'm going to go and resize this design. It's going to let us know once that's completed, and then we can go ahead and download our postcard. So we may want to just check our postcard, make sure everything still looks good. It does kind of shift these items over, but I'm not worried about that. But we're going to go ahead and then we're going to download this. And I'm going to leave it as a PNG for this example. And I'm just going to do one page at a time so that I don't have to pull them from a folder. But you can download both together if you'd like. And once those are downloaded, I'm going to come back over to Command. I'm going to browse my image. And I'm going to go ahead and pull that in. Now we've got our front. We've got our back. As you can see in the top right, we're able to preview that. We can take a look at the back as well. And then we can go ahead and finish up this. So we could then go through and update our targeting, whether we are targeting a specific neighborhood. Maybe we want to target this listing. We could go ahead and pull that address in again. Sorry, we're clicking all around here. And let's paste our zip code. We're going to hit save. And then it's going to target that specific neighborhood, okay? From here, we can then go through our configure targeting. Looks like we're missing something, our market center info. But we would just plug that in. I'm going to leave it for now. And then we could go into configure targeting and send this out to whoever we'd like to, okay? Our direct mailer class does go over the full configuring, targeting, and everything like that. So if you do have questions on that, definitely reach out to our support team. That email is support@scottleroymarketing.com. I do hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to our support team. Have a wonderful rest of your day.